Okay, in our today's class we are going to talk about statistics in mathematics. Okay, maths, 5th, 6th, since 2025, statistics. In our statistics, you know that statistics has to do with data collection and its calculation in order to get interpretation to deal with some issues that has to do with population. So in our first calculation, we're going to deal with measures of central tendency or measures of location. Measures of central tendency or measures of location. In our measures of location, we're going to deal with arithmetic mean. 1. Arithmetic mean. After that, we deal with mode. After that, we deal with median. After that, we deal with quartiles. After that, we deal with deciles. The sixth one we're going to deal with under the middle of location is percentile. Percentiles. Okay. The first discussion is going to go in arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. In our arithmetic mean, we first of all talk about data. We talk about data. And the data, which are information collected from a given location. So when we have data collected, data can be grouped into 3 categories. The first group is data, that is ungrouped data. Ungrouped. First one is ungrouped data without frequency. Second one is, second one is ungrouped data with frequency. Third one is grouped data. Group data always has a frequency. Yes. Okay. In the first data, which is ungrouped data without frequency, we have examples of ungrouped data without frequency. We have them like when you have group of numbers that appeared few different times. Something of this nature is an example of ungrouped data without frequency. When you have data like this, we call it ungrouped data without frequency. It has its own formula. Then, number 2, example of ungrouped data with frequency. When you have data like this, for instance, you have score, frequency, okay, something like 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Assume these are the scores obtained by students in a test. Then frequency is the number of students that scored the marks. Let's assume that here we have 5 students scoring 10%. Here we have something like 7 students scoring 12. We have 2 scoring 14. So assume 10 scored 16 and 4 scored 18, while 2 scored 20. This one is an example for ungrouped data with frequency. When you talk of group data, so in the case of group data, we're going to discuss it in our next class.